When you have your refrigerator, there's a few things that come factory standard. You can order it as a left or a right swing, but if this becomes a problem later on, this can be adjusted by reversing the swing of the door. We're going to take a moment and step over to the refrigerators and perform this process. To begin, you're going to open the door and remove this top hinge. Make sure you have a firm grip on the top of the door when removing the screws, because if you do not, the door will fall. And then you will remove the center hinge. And the bottom hinge. Now we're going to reverse the handles on the refrigerator door. And in the accessory bag that comes with the refrigerator is the door handle cover that you will use for the opposite side. And on the bottom of the refrigerator are a metal bracket and a plastic bushing that you will remove. And reverse to the other side. And now we'll reverse the parts on the freezer door, starting with the handle that latches. And the handle cover on the opposite side. And you'll switch them to their opposite sides. When replacing the handles, make sure you engage the spring And you will also switch the metal bracket and the plastic bushing. Now let's replace the handles on the refrigerator door. When replacing the latching handles, make sure that the metal post is holding the spring in place and that you engage the spring when placing the handle. That metal post will secure into its placement on the top, and these handle covers will place right on top of that. Now on the refrigerator, you'll remove the door catch. So you'll remove the door catch and then remove the rubber posts and place them in their opposite or opposing spots. And then you'll replace the door catch on the opposite side. And remove every rubber post from one side and switch it to the other. Now placing the hinges, starting with the bottom, making sure that you have your plastic washers. Removing the plastic post from one side to the other so that you have the appropriate space to place the hinge. Place the door on the bottom hinge and then place your center hinge and secure. And lastly, replacing the freezer door. Make sure you remove the plastic post. And switch it to the other side. And the last step of this replacement is making sure that your doors latch and seal properly. If they do not, you need to go back to your hinges and make adjustments.